Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lit and Learn. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its growing relationship with language. Buckle up, because things are about to get code-tastic. Deep within academia, a young researcher named Ava is on a mission to push the boundaries of AI and language. Her secret weapon, Sora, is a sophisticated AI language model with a mind for words. Imagine a world where learning English feels more like having a natural conversation than tedious textbook drills, where your mistakes are gently corrected and your confidence in speaking steadily grows. This is the promise of advanced conversational AI, technology poised to revolutionize the landscape of English language learning. Gone are the days of rote memorization and awkward practice sessions. Conversational AI tools can engage in personalized dialogues, adapting to your learning pace and level. They can provide immediate feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and fluency, mimicking the real-time interactions crucial for language acquisition. These tools are particularly powerful for learners who lack access to native speakers or struggle with traditional methods. Students can practice speaking at their own convenience without feeling intimidated or self-conscious. The AI adapts to their interests and cultural background, creating a more engaging and culturally relevant learning experience. Furthermore, conversational AI can personalize learning based on individual needs. It can identify areas of weakness and tailor exercises accordingly, ensuring efficient progress. Imagine practicing your job interview skills with an AI interviewer or owning your presentation skills with a virtual audience. The possibilities are endless. So, is conversational AI the future of English language learning? While it may not be the sole answer, it holds immense potential to democratize learning, personalize experiences, and boost confidence. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that make learning English more accessible and engaging than ever before. Remember, the key to success is to embrace technology as a valuable tool, but not rely on it solely. With a diverse learning approach and a proactive attitude, anyone can master the English language and unlock its incredible opportunities.